Exercise keeps us active, but what we wear can change everything. From parks and roads to gyms and fitness clubs, people exercise everywhere. Jogging, running, walking, and cycling, these are the most common workouts among youngsters. But the wrong clothes can turn exercise into discomfort. Not all clothes are exercise-friendly. Avoid sweat-absorbing cotton, tight non-stretch fabrics, loose clothing near machines, and heavy, dark outfits. These cause rashes, overheating, restricted movement, fatigue, and dehydration. Weather matters too. Heat, humidity, cold, and rain demand the right fabric choices. The right clothing changes everything. Breathable, moisture-wicking fabrics keep the body cool, whereas stretchable materials support free movement. It improves comfort, performance, safety, and confidence for every age group. Choose activity-specific clothing, match the weather, wear proper footwear, avoid overdressing, and let your skin breathe. Because the right clothing protects your body and your performance. Exercise smart, dress right. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more content on garment industry.